What's up? I'm cameraman now, and I'm using this camera. Tell me how shaky it is. My grandpa says it's shaky, but now it's all fixed. But now, my brother, right now, is working on the shade for his, Lamborghinis.
Yeah, Willie, I'm the owner of the camera.
Yeah, I'm borrowing the camera since I'm the cameraman and I have to use a camera, so yeah, so let's get into it! Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think? Look at you right now. Do you like how you're looking?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is my brother's going to do the turnway, but that's a surprise for the next video. See ya!